Today we are going to start business statistics as per BCOM Honors 3rd semester syllabus by MK Mitra and GS Mitra. So the first chapter is Statistics Definition, Scope and Limitation. In this chapter we will learn about introduction, definition of statistics, descriptive and inferential statistics, functions of statistics, scope or importance of statistics, limitations of statistics, distrust of statistics, statistical tools used in business and economic analysis, and the exercise. So here we go. Statistical definition, scope and limitation. Introduction. The subject statistics is not a new discipline but is as old as human civilization itself. Basically, the word statistics has been originated from Latin word status or German word statistic. Definition of statistics. Statistics can be defined in singular or plural sense. So in plural sense, to refer numerical statement or fact or data. On the other hand, it is also used in singular sense, which denote a subject of study like other subjects such as physics, accountancy, mathematics, etc. It is to be noted that the word statistics, when used in singular sense, it implies statistical method. So statistics defined in plural sense. Statistics is defined by Bowley as numerical data. Statistics are numerical statement of facts in any department of inquiry placed in relation to each other. It was given by Bowley, and in another statement was given by Professor Horace Sacrist, which defines statistics may be defined as the aggregate of facts affected to a large extent by multiplicity of causes, numerically expressed, enumerated or estimated according to a reasonable standard of accuracy, collected in a systematic manner for a predetermined purpose and placed in relation to each other. Professor Horace Sacrist notes this. And out of the two definitions given by Horace Sacrist is the most exhaustive. So we elaborate, the discussion has been made in detail. There must be aggregate of facts. An individual figure cannot be called statistics to be statistics. It should form a part of aggregate of facts to any particular field of inquiry. They are affected by multiplicity of causes. The data relating to phenomena like consumption of a particular crop which are affected by a large number of factors will be called statistics. But if we simply write 1 or 20, then these figures cannot be called statistics. They must be expressed numerically. The statement which can be expressed in number form a part of statistics. Thus, quantitative characteristics such as honesty can't be expressed in number. Hence, such characteristics cannot be termed as statistics. Number 4. They are enumerated or estimated according to reasonable standard of accuracy. Number 5. They must be collected in a systematic manner for a predetermined purpose. Number 6. They must be placed in relation to each other. It means that the data collected from the field should be comparable. Statistics defined in singular sense. Numerical data himself doesn't tell anything. To get some meaningful knowledge, the collected information must have to organize, present it in a good way, analyzed and interpreted it in order to get wise decisions. Thus, statistics when used in singular sense refers to body of method which provides tools for data collection, analysis and interpretation. So some of the important definitions given by Boddington, Croxton and Cowden. So Boddington says statistics is the science of estimates and probabilities, while Croxton and Cowden says statistics may be defined as a science of collection, presentation, analysis and interpretation of numerical data. Statistics can be classified into two parts: descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. Descriptive statistics, it refers to the various measures which include measures of central tendency, measure of dispersion, and coefficient of correlation. Example, graphs, tables that display data in well-defined manner. For example, one of the interested to compute average age of student of BCOM first semester. Here he is using descriptive statistics. Inferential statistics. Inferential statistics refers to statistical process of drawing valid inferences about the character of population data on the basis of sample data. If anyone, for example, interested to estimate average age or marks of entire student on the basis of sample average, then we should say that he is using inferential statistics. It is used to be remembered that inferences drawn from sample are not free from error. The degree of such error can be estimated on basis of probability theory. So here are some functions of statistics. Statistics serves various purposes. The function of statistics are explained below: to present fact in a proper form, to simplify raw data, to facilitate comparison, to help to forecast future values. Statistics provides techniques for drawing inferences, helps the government. Statistics in economics. Statistical analysis is indispensable in economics. So Professor A. Marshall rightly opined that the statistical analysis is widely used in various economics fields such as production, consumption, exchange, public finance, input-output analysis, etc. Statistical tools such as index number, time series, regression analysis are important in economic planning and in decision-making process. Statistics in business and management. Due to growing size and increasing competition, the work of business enterprise are becoming more and more complex. The success of marginal decision making largely depends upon timely information, much of which comes from statistical data. The statistical data is widely used in business industry in all operations like production, sales, finance, marketing and manpower planning, etc. Statistical method provides techniques to deal with such situations. So here are some limitations of statistics. It deals with only quantitative characteristics. It doesn't deal with individual item. Its laws are not exact. Its laws are true only on an average. It can be misused. So distrust of statistics. Distrust of statistics, we mean a lack of confidence in statistical method, statistical data and the conclusion drawn. Statistics in some cases proved wrong decision when it is used by dishonest person. Either dishonest person doesn't know where to apply which method. Again, if a person is guided by bias method, then he can manipulate data according to his need. In such case, the subject will lose its credit in eyes of many people. To arrive at meaningful result, one should know the proper use of technique in proper situation. Moreover, we also know that in statistics, data collection is one of the most important part of statistical inquiry, but many people doesn't follow proper way in collection of data. From the above reason, we may say that statistics neither proves anything nor disproves anything. It is only a tool which should be used when with caution and by those who has proper knowledge in subject. Statistical tools used in business and economics analysis. The various statistical techniques used in business and economic analysis are as follows. Statistics measures like average, dispersion, correlation are required to find characteristics of data. Regression analysis helps in forecasting data. Time series analysis helps in forecasting and planning. Index number helps in business and commerce. cost of living and economic condition of the people living in a country. So here we go with the exercise. Firstly, multiple choice questions. Who is called the father of statistics? A. Sir Ronald Fisher. Number 2, who is called the father of index number? So the answer is S. Jevons. Number 3, statistics are the straws of which I, like any other economists, have to make bricks. Who said this? Professor Marshall. So here we end this chapter. Statistics, definition, scope and limitation. Hope you understand well. And stay tuned with my channel to know more about statistics, business statistics for BCOM honors and other subjects. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.